What if you can have your students make art and then make it move by turning it into an animated GIF? We'll start with a digital picture of your artwork and call it Image 1. Load it into Brushes Redux and work on it layer by layer to make the other frames. This is where we match the colors and redraw certain parts so it appears to move. If you click and hold over a color in this app, it selects that color for you and then you're ready to start painting. Each time I've made my modifications to a picture, I save it to the camera roll to become another image in my animation sequence. Once I have my 4 images in the camera roll, I upload them to easygif.com. To make it a looping sequence, I need to copy the 3rd image and make it the 5th, copy the 2nd image and make it the 6th. I click animate and I can save my animated GIF to the camera roll and upload it to publish it online. So what will you make and then make move?